Saddle tap connection. Place saddle tap against main duct at the exact location where it will be installed. Using a marker, wax pencil or China marker, inscribe the inside diameter and mark the center lines of the tap and on the duct for proper positioning and alignment. Drill a 3/8 inch 9mm hole on the outside of the marked line. Using a jigsaw with either a Bosch T127D fiberglass aluminum or Bosch T150 carborundum blade, insert the blade into the hole and cut approximately 3/8 inch 9mm outside of the tap diameter line drawn on the duct, which is shown here as the dashed line. This creates a hole for the tap, which is slightly larger than the interior of the tap, allowing a lip for the Kanban putty to fill, sealing the cut edge of the main duct. Begin by selecting parts A and B for the saddle tap putty kit with purple labels. Pour all of part B into the part A jar containing the Kanban putty, making sure to remove hardener from the corners of the jar. Thoroughly mix the hardener into the putty, again scraping putty from the corners of the jar to ensure a complete blended mix. Mix for a few minutes to achieve a smooth peanut butter-like consistency. Apply Kanban putty mix to the underside of the saddle. The putty should be about 3mm or 1/8 inch thick. The tap is then placed on the main duct using the saddle centerline marks drawn previously. Stainless steel hose clamps can be used to secure the tap to the main until the putty has cured. As the hose clamps are lightly tightened, putty will ooze out from underneath the saddle on the inside and around the outside of the saddle. On 3-inch diameter, 75mm diameter and greater, the inside of the joint can be beveled by hand by reaching inside the tap and smoothing the putty on the interior to create a beveled surface, sealing the raw cut edge of the main duct. The stainless steel hose clamps should be left on the duct for shear strength while the Kanban putty is curing.